On May 31, 1921, one of the most devastating attacks on black wealth in American history began in the Greenwood District of Tulsa, Oklahoma, a community known as Black Wall Street. Greenwood was not a poor neighborhood. It was a thriving black business district filled with banks, hotels, restaurants, theaters, grocery stores, doctors, lawyers, and entrepreneurs. Despite segregation, black residents built a powerful economic ecosystem that circulated money within their own community. On the evening of May 31st, tensions erupted after allegations against a young black man named Dick Rowland. Thousands of armed white residents descended on Greenwood. Over the next 2 days, homes and businesses were looted and burned. Airplanes were even used to observe and reportedly assist the assault. As many as 300 black residents were killed and thousands were left homeless. More than 35 blocks of black-owned prosperity were destroyed. Generational wealth that could have impacted families for decades vanished almost overnight. Yet Greenwood's story is not just one of destruction, it's also a story of determination. Many survivors rebuilt businesses and homes despite receiving little to no compensation for their losses. Their resilience remains one of the most powerful examples of black economic strength in American history.